kind of a different video as well from like the truck stuff. As many of you probably know, but I'm sure a lot of you don't know, like I used to race dirt bikes for a little bit. I've always been into dirt bikes, quads, stuff like that. So today is IRONMAN, the MX Pro Motocross race. So they're having that. It's only about an hour from our house, so I'm actually riding there solo. There's a few people that I know that are gonna be there, so it shouldn't be too bad, but I'm going there more for myself and maybe some content along the way. But yeah, we're gonna go out here and see what it's like. I haven't been in probably 2 years now. I know I skipped out a couple of years. It's really hot usually every year, you know, and she had to work, and I was like, why not? I might as well go. And but yeah, we're heading out there, and we'll see what we can get into. I'm sure it's going to be a lot of racing. Probably not going to be a lot of like talking from me part of the way. I'll butt in here and there if I can, but it's going to be a lot of like engines running and ramping, and you know, it's going to be kind of loud. But yeah, it's a cool track. It's pros. We're going to go out there and see what it's all about.
The exact type of program for our athletes where they come through with that and put gas on. Going in here and just being able to ride to win the race today, not having to worry about that championship.
Yeah, I feel loose. It feels good, but yeah, we're gonna have some fun today. I want to end it on a good note, so we have some confidence coming into SMX. But that was a good.
I think it is fun. I think we saw that a couple of years ago in Supercross last year.
So just got here and took a quick trip through the pits, and then got a free monster, got Billy some bags, bag of shirts. So but yeah, we're gonna make it around. We're gonna go back there and see how crazy it is, see if maybe we can get an autograph, but if it's too busy then fuck. So we'll see what it's like. As you can see, it's kind of hot for sure. I did a lot of walking before the crowd got here so I could kind of explore without a million people. They didn't do autographs until 11 o'clock, and when I went back there, they were swamped, like fucking half-mile long lines. I was like, we're not gonna worry about that. So I got Billy a couple shirts there. Yeah, so the races don't start until 1. So we're gonna sit here and chill in the AC for like probably half hour or so, 20 minutes. And then walk back up there and pick some good spots for the races. But no point in walking. All the qualifying's done now. So for an hour they'll prep the track and then pretty much be ready to go for the race. These guys, they know what's up. They brought a whole damn Blackstone ready to go. But yeah, as you can see, like, we got dope parking. Like, this is the entrance into the track right here, and we're all the way at the end of it, right? All the way back there, there's a whole giant, probably 50 acres, 100 acre fucking cornfield. I'm not sure how big it is. It's huge. And they fill that whole thing with cars, like. But behind me, they have all kinds of campers and stuff like that. People that stay here all weekend. So we're pretty much lined up with the campers. We got here super early for that reason. I wanted good parking. I wanted to park way out there. And then also, I knew I'd probably buy something for Bentley or whatever, because I don't want to bring him and it's going to be super hot and climbing a bunch of hills and stuff like that. So he'd be dying like I am. So we're gonna chill for a minute and then we're gonna head back up there and see the races. So stay tuned.
Side by and he's going to present his mechanic, Brett Duffy, with the Mechanic of the Year Award.
Ladies and gentlemen, we salute the 2024 450cc champion and the Manufacturer's Cup, the Manufacturer of the Year, KTM North America.
And Holly Shaper, please report to the podium.
Well, we're headed out of Ironman. Awesome time, very hot, but it was a good time for sure. We ended up running into Christian. He was here as well, so we hung out with him a little bit. But I tried to move around the track and get as many different shots of the track and them racing as possible, but some stuff's harder to see. There's a bunch of people lined up. They sit there all day. They camp with their fucking chairs all day. But it's tough to get real close to them, but, you know, I did what I could with it. But if anybody's got to hook up on a media pass to get into the track, that'd be dope for next time. But, yeah, it was cool. I love racing. You know, dirt bikes have always been a thing that I enjoy. But it's a little different than the truck content. So, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it. It all helps me a ton. And so the next video you see, you know, it could be another odd video compared to trucks. I'm trying to get away from all the truck scene stuff. Obviously, I'll show a lot of it, but I don't want my whole channel to just be truck stuff. So next video probably won't be the truck stuff, but look forward here in 2 or 3 weeks. I think we're going to Smoky Mountain Truck Fest, so you'll have that one to look forward to as well if you're into the trucks. But we're gonna head home. Enjoy it. I appreciate y'all watching. Peace.